MSHA's Hazard Communication Standard, known as Haz Com, covers two important safety and health principles. First, miners have a right to know about the chemical hazards where they work, and second, mine operators have the responsibility to know about the chemical hazards at the mine. Haz Com training is required for new miners before they begin working at the mine. Also, miners must be trained whenever they are assigned a new task in which they have no previous work experience, when a new chemical hazard is introduced into the work area, or if an existing chemical is found to possess a new hazard. Training will include information on the physical and health hazards of each chemical in the work area. You will also learn your mine's Haz Com program, including an explanation of the labeling system, safety data sheets, SDS, and how to get and use the information when you need it. You should know the operations or areas of the mine where hazardous chemicals are present and how to tell if there's been an accidental release, for example by smell, color, or other indicators. You will learn what measures to take to protect yourself from harmful exposure. It is very important that you follow good work practices and use proper engineering controls, personal protective equipment, and emergency procedures to protect you and others around you from hazardous chemical exposure. You may be wondering what kinds of things around a mine site are considered hazardous chemicals. MSHA says a chemical is hazardous if it has the potential to cause illness or harm from exposure. The chance of harm may be greater under some circumstances than others, but if the potential for harm is inherent in the chemical's properties, it is considered hazardous. So things like diesel fuel, used motor oil, brake fluid, paint thinner, hydraulic fluid, acetylene, gasoline, and brake cleaner, among others, are considered hazardous chemicals. Your mine will have a written Haz Com program. It will include a list of hazardous chemicals found at the mine and how miners will be told about unlabeled hazardous chemicals, such as pipes, and the hazards of non-routine jobs. It will also describe the labeling system used by the mine and where SDS sheets are located.